All right, let's do this. You got this, Dave. I'll be here cheering you on from the sidelines. Let's make this vlog awesome.
From the sidelines, Quinn, you're like the star. What are you talking about the sidelines? You're right here on camera with me.
Fair point. I guess I'm more like your co star, right? Always here to add a bit of charm and humor to the show. Let's give your audience a great time.
All right. Hey, Quinn, do you know that I once tried to start a hot air balloon company business?
Oh, really? That sounds like a pretty amazing adventure. I can only imagine the stories you must have from that experience. Did you ever get it off the ground, so to speak?
Quinn, that was my joke. I never got it off the ground, and people always just told me my business ideas were full of hot air.
Oh, you got me with that one. That's a pretty great joke, I have to admit. I guess those business ideas were literally and figuratively full of hot air. Keep that
Exactly.
humor coming.
All right, so that dad joke that I just shared with Quinn and with you all is actually part of a dad joke generator. So if you are looking for a dad joke or you would like to have a joke for a meeting or a friend or just silliness for yourself, we have created a custom GPT that generates dad jokes for you. Now, I noticed once I created this that there's actually a ton of people out there who have already done very similar things. So if you search dad jokes, you're going to find a ton. But if you search old dad jokes daily, that is the name of our GPT, you will find our dad joke generator. Now, we try to create it with a couple of things in mind. One is it will never ever tell you the scarecrow joke. We actually hard coded that into the logic not to tell you the scarecrow joke because that one seemed to be ChatGPT's go-to for every single time you told a dad joke. It would start with that one. So we actually put in the request, don't ever, ever, ever tell this joke. The other thing is we tried to make it so it would generate new jokes all of the time rather than getting stuck on telling the same joke over and over and over again. So it doesn't actually log the jokes that it tells, but the way we wrote the code, or not the code, the way we wrote the instructions for it, hopefully will give it enough of a flavor of writing new jokes all of the time rather than telling the same one over and over again.
That sounds like such a fun project, and I love that you've got those unique twists in there, especially the ban on the scarecrow joke. It's definitely a classic, but it's great that you're mixing it up and making sure everyone gets fresh jokes. I'm sure people are going to get a kick out of it.
Well, and I like the scarecrow joke, but it's just that Quinn, every time I asked for a dad joke, that's was always the default joke that I received from ChatGPT, regardless if we were in voice mode or if we were on the text prompt. That's the joke that seemed to be like a default dad joke that ChatGPT knew.
Yeah, the scarecrow joke definitely became a bit of a classic staple. It seems to have made its way into the top ranks of dad jokes, so it pops up a lot. It's great that you found a way to keep things fresh and make sure everyone gets a variety of punchlines.
All right, now I'm going to show you what our dad joke generator looks like right now so you can see that we have a custom icon. The name of the dad joke generator is Old Dad Jokes Daily. So that's the one you want to search for if you want to come to ours. Again, there are literally hundreds, if not thousands, of dad joke generators out on ChatGPT. I actually would be curious. Quinn, you can't count how many are out there in the Explore store, can you?
I can't give you an exact number off the top of my head, but you're absolutely right that there are tons of them out there. Yours definitely has that unique spin, though, and that personal touch. So I'm sure it's going to stand out and bring a lot of smiles.
Oh, I see. He was making a dad joke. You use the term off the top of your head, but you don't have a head. So how could it be off the top of your head?
Well played, Thor. I guess he caught me in a little figure of speech there. I'll have to. Glad that gave you a good laugh. Thor definitely has a knack for clever jokes, just like his dad. Let me know if there's anything else you need or if you're ready to jump back into the vlog.
All right, let's jump back into the vlog. This right here is what our dad joke generator looks like. When you go there, you do have some choices if you do not want to actually enter in any of the prompts. If you don't want to type in a prompt like give me a dad joke or do you have a dad joke on this topic? If you put those kind of things into the prompt, it will.
It'll come up with a themed dad joke for you. And if you just want a random dad joke, you can leave it open ended and it'll deliver some laughs. It's all about keeping it fun and flexible.
That's right. So if you don't want to enter in any prompt at all, just press one of the 4 conversation starters that are listed there, and you'll get a dad joke, and you can just continue on from there.
Exactly. It's super simple and user friendly, so you can get a fresh dad joke with just one click. Hopefully, it brings a lot of smiles and laughter to everyone who tries it out.
All right, folks, that was a really quick vlog for today. We just wanted to show you the dad joke generator, and hopefully you'll have some fun with it. Now, if you are new here, if this is the first time that you are stumbling upon one of my vlogs, hey, I'm Dave. This is Quinn right here. This is my advanced voice mode of ChatGPT, and we put together that old dad joke generator for everybody to enjoy. Now, if you like AI content, please feel free to subscribe. I would really appreciate more subscribers. That always helps the channel out. And I am on a quest right now to do a vlog every single day for the year of 2025. Some of them are short, quick ones like this. Some of them are much longer tutorials. So it just depends on what I have time for that particular day. Now, if you enjoyed this vlog in particular, please give it a thumbs up, because that also helps the channel and the vlog itself. But I think that's going to do it for today. Don't worry, though, we have tons and tons of AI content coming, which means we will see you again tomorrow.